And just like that, we went ahead and switched up the look in no time. Absolutely gorgeous. It gives a little height and a little sassiness. I know Cowboy Carter tour kicked off this week. This is a perfect look. Add a little hair clip or just a jewel right here to give it a little bit more, you know, bedazzle and glam. And again, you're showing off that beautiful hairline as well. Cut lace, pre-bleach knots, and pre-plucked hairline. Everything you need. And then the icing on the cake is she does include that drawstring in the back. Headed to Great Wolf Lodge to celebrate my son. We're gonna have a quick little staycation just to have some fun. But I'm super happy that I chose this wig specifically because we're going to the water park. I'm not gonna be getting on any water. Nice and long and full and fluffy. I love, love, love this texture. I'm gonna clip her up. And really quickly, you'll see the drawstring. This here is the drawstring and it's not done. So I'm just going to yank it or gently pull it. Grab that stopper and just pull it up. And because we're going swimming today, I'm going to make it super duper tight. Once I get it as tight as I like, I kind of lift and tuck very easily. And at the same time that I tuck, I kind of grab and flip it over. And I pull it as low as I can get it and kind of like drive it into the bottom of my braids. Now it's not going to just like flip and flop in the back if I'm in the water or anything like that. It's like literally installed from the back, nice and full. And essentially we are done. I honestly don't really want to do much today because we are going to get in the pool, so I don't want to bombard this one with lots and lots of product. So I'm thinking we'll just take a little bit of serum, and if we don't like the way this looks, of course we can adjust. When it comes to serum, I like to go a little extra heavy on the ends, and this is a way of like livening up your unit and kind of just still rubbing your hands through it so you do get a nice little detangle going. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. A nice good amount. You want to make it even. If you just do the ends, you'll see it a little bit more shiny, like in spots. And you want the whole thing, including the back and the top and the front and the ends, all of it to just look and feel nice and full. Make sure you get that nape and underneath as well. And again, if your ends are super fluffy, just take like an extra pump or two and work it in there. And I like to also mix the serum with the water. But when you want to walk out and already have your hair like done and dry, like a lot of times if you go to a salon, if they do your install, a lot of times they'll just put a little something like a little leave-in, a little mousse, but not get like right here. I just want to wet it just a little bit and have it re-dry. Then also the ends are a place where I kind of want to mist it and hydrate it just a little bit, because again, you want to walk out the house with your hair not soaking wet, but you do want to kind of like hydrate it and have it look good. The product that we used today was the Aussie Miracle Curls, and this is a curl defining oil. So this is kind of meant for the wet curls and to help define them. You can go ahead and use your dimming brush, but I love the texture of this one. I don't think I need to alter it by any means. A beautiful girl she is. A flawless hairline we have. And just like that, love bugs, and even with a clip, you can do like a double decker. So I'm going to take my clip, my favorite clip that I keep right here, and clip it up. So when you pull it back, you already have some dimension with the bang, or the ponytail rather, and it's like tucked in the back. Something a little bit different and unique, but I love it. So there you have it. 2 simple and quick, easy styles. Now let's get back to the rest of the video.